Okay, let's go.
Hey y'all, Amy with Leonard Mountain Homestead. How are y'all? I'm doing good. My animals are doing good. I have thrown a little more feed out there for them. Yup. So I've been really busy the last few days. I am going to do my challenge tomorrow that had to do with the super chats that was sent. Thank you for those. I appreciate it. Gets me moving. So I took a day off of exercising just to recuperate from what I've already done. But I will get back at it tomorrow. But let's get to talking about these animals, y'all. Look. Let's get to talking about these animals. Let's go check out Diesel first. See you in a bit. Always with the messy face. Always with the messy face. I still got to get them some more water in there, but I did fill this up with water. And they got water that way. Their homes are holding up. Diesel. Hi, Diesel. The kids just got home from school, or Christopher just did. Faith went to go get him from the bus stop. So, they'll be here in just a minute. Sorry if you can hear the wind. It is a little windy right now, but we're getting into the cooler days. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let's go check out George and Georgia. Look at that cute fella. Hi, Diesel. Let's get a close-up. Diesel. Diesel. He's like, leave me alone. Smack, smack, smack. Hold on, let's see if I can get him. There we go. Just for a second, he's like, you disturbed me. You disturbed me. Let's go see George and Georgia. Hi, babies. You got some on your back because you wouldn't let me pour it in the bowl. Oh, you're going to get close up? Okay. I hear you behind me. I'll get to you in just a minute. Oh, don't talk back to me. So as you can see, George is still here. But he won't be here for very long. That's what we do on a homestead. We get the animals, and yes, I name them, but at the same time, you have to know that at some point, we have to supply our homestead with some feed for ourselves. So, yes, they can be cute, as these two are so cute. I know George is cute. George has feed on his back because he wouldn't let me put it in the bowl. Let's go see Leah and Chocolate Chip. You gonna get a close-up, Piggy Kisses? Big old piggy. Leah, come here. Come on. Oh, there's chocolate chip. Well, back up. I can't see you. Dirty piggies. Oh, look at those faces. Leah is the only one, which is the one right here. She's the only one staying. Look at those ears. They're about to cover your eyes. They're about to cover your eyes. Yup. They're doing good too. Let's go see the babies. You'll see the babies. Ha, that's not a baby. That's that one bantam that was running loose and in front of my mother-in-law's yard, and so I rescued it and put it in here. Some of them are already... I threw some feed out there, as you can see. Gave them some water. And now they're just laying around. You see the babies? Look. You are getting so big and so cute. Look at your colors. You're getting some pretty colors on you. Some of these are the ones that I incubated and grew. You know, put them out here and they're growing. And some of these I got from MT Homestead and Dyer Family Farm. So they're all mingling in here in their little area with this one bantam chicken. There we go. As you can see, I only have one turkey left, y'all. I said that on my live the other day. I want to say that's Popeye because of the way that it looks. I want to say that's Popeye. So, Sweet Pea is gone. So, I'm down to one male. Then we got the roosters here. I just gave them some water and some feed. But down to one turkey, y'all. That's what it is. Down to one turkey. Y'all want to see something? Hold on, look. Got me some boots, y'all. Got me some boots. Because it is still really muddy back here. Still muddy. So my muck boots have come in handy for walking around here. So as you can tell, there's still mud everywhere. Ew. There's my chickens, y'all. Big Red. What's up, Big Red? Let's go see the pond. Ah, yeah, I saw those feathers ruffling. That's how much water is still in the pond. As you can tell, there's the beginning of that pipe, because there's no water coming back down there anymore, because the end for this that was sticking out is right there. So it's below. There's no more water trickling in from there. So, but there's that water. Shoo, 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 shoo. Beautiful birds. Yep. All right, y'all. That was the end. That was the end. Y'all got to see all the birds. My turkey is just down to one. And some of the chickens or the roosters that I was supposed to get rid of, they're still there. Chris's plants are not doing so fabulous over here, as they were still outside. But hold on, let me put you on the tripod. Hold on. All right, got both hands. But we're doing good, y'all. We're doing good. Chris has not put the part on his truck yet because it first got really cold, then it was raining, and then we spent time with the kids. But he plans on putting that part for his truck so that we can have that truck at all the meetups coming up. And if you didn't already hear, and you didn't see my post, and you didn't see my live talking about our daughter Grumpy, she is expecting, and we've did all of getting her paperwork done, calling the doctor, getting an appointment there, all the stuff that comes with expecting a baby. So we're pretty excited. Baby is coming July 1st, 2025, and that's the estimated due date. Now when she goes and sees her OBGYN, that may change. We don't know, but she's expecting and we're excited. This will make grandbaby number 5 for us. A lot of things have changed, can you tell? Yeah. My daughters did a little makeover for me. Faith cut my hair. I cried, y'all, because that was a lot of hair gone. But it came out really cute. They wouldn't let me look at it until after they got it all fixed up and everything. Maribel dyed my hair, so I don't have that many grays. Or I don't have any grays right now that is showing. Don't have that many, or I don't have no gray hair showing. And then, like I said, Maribel styled it. And so I got a makeover, y'all. I got a makeover, and I absolutely love it. I love it. But thank you so much for those who are here, who are supporting the channel, who are watching our videos, who is sharing our videos. Thank you to all of the subscribers. Y'all are family to us, and I want to keep the community very positive. And I know that's hard sometimes with a lot of the other channels that's going on, and I'm not sure if you know that, but y'all, Leonard Mountain Homestead, I've already told y'all that, hangs out with everybody. We were new when we first started this, and we just hang out with everybody, and we want to meet others that we haven't met. So hopefully one of these meetups we get to, you know, meet more people that we haven't met before. And then y'all give me a moment. Lost my train of thought. Give me a moment. All right. Don't forget to join us on Let's Talk Tuesdays, 8 o'clock Central Standard Time, on YouTube. We've always been Tuesdays, 8 o'clock Central Standard Time since we first started going live on YouTube. Then we have our What's Up Wednesdays at 5 o'clock Central Standard Time, streaming both Facebook and YouTube. And y'all come have fun. And I think we're going to switch up a little on how we do our panels. And I want new channels, like we've always said in the very beginning. We want some of the new channels to come up and start talking and let people know about your channels. I absolutely love the way we do our channels, our lives, because we get that connection when we see people on panel, and we get to chit-chatting. And I know, so I'm known for the long lives, but y'all, seriously, rewatch them. We have so much fun. We have so much fun. And I have cut back some on my lives, and I'd like to see some of the old ones come back. Some of the old, like the old subscribers and the family, the community, come back, watch us. I know it gets to be so busy on our lives, and we can't be on every single live. I miss you guys. I notice y'all that are gone, and I just want y'all back. Let's have a live like we used to, where it doesn't matter if I'm having a giveaway, because everybody shows up for a giveaway, okay? Let's have that on every live, y'all. Let's get to building the community and sharing others out. Let's have that heart, okay? And you do not need to explain to me why you've been gone. I know that it's hunting season for some, and I know how important hunting is for, some of the community, because my brother-in-law, he loves to hunt. So I know what it's like, and I know why some of y'all have been gone. But I miss y'all, guys. I miss you, for those who have been gone and haven't been on panel. So, love you guys. See you on the next one. Don't forget to do all the YouTube things. Like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment, because I love reading the comments, okay? Who you see here is who you're going to get in person, okay? I'm pretty sure most of y'all can say that. Who have met me. Who you get here is who you see online. And I want that to be shown through our videos. There is no acting here. My animals, you see this. We're not perfect. Our house still ain't finished. So, I'm not hiding anything. So, just come back. Look forward to seeing y'all next time. Love you guys. Bye.